I'm going to take the petal crown that I've been using and turn it into a bird. I got two colors loaded on a sponge, and then if I rotate them, it will create a nice little bird head. Then you just do the wings. I don't know if I've ever talked about this, but when you're going around an eye, it usually looks more appealing to use a lighter color right above the eyelid. This is going to be a full around eye mask. Look at this. I can get away with use dark blue to outline this. This is Snazaroo Royal Blue. It's kind of good for contrast, but still kind of like a see-through color. So I'm going to try to load it up really good to see if I can make it show better. For these wings, I'm trying a different way to do it. I'm making really scratchy, rough edges there. And then I think I'm even going to try to layer, like the yellow one, as a second wing. So I'm going to individually outline the yellow too. And then you can just bring it down to the face by doing some cool swirls. Como así.
Como así.
Como así.
Como así.
See, now I really lathered up that blue. It looks nice.
Como así. Como así, Concha.
Como así, Concha.
Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Hey, I made a rhyme. Look at them. Do you hear that, Mama?
Look at that.
Look at them. 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 Look at them.
Now for the bird.
Look what I did at preschool.
The bird is going to be facing.
Look what I did at preschool.
Oh, very
It
nice.
doesn't have my name on it. My teachers don't have to write my name, or I don't have to write.
To start your bird, make a C, and the arch of the C is going to be the face of the bird. Then you go all the way around the back and you make like a question mark. You don't connect at the C. Then you can make like a skinny little drop for the neckline. Like this. Now, I have a fine brush laying around here. Let's see one. You can make a big eye. An almond shape. Put a pupil in there. And then for the beak, stick a beak on and some eyelashes maybe. And under the eye, if you want, you can make a little C arching down to give the bird a chubby little cheek that the eye is resting on. Just put some squiggles there for the tail. This is crazy. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to underline my eyes to give them a little definition. And then fill in the beak. I use that stamping thing to do so many different designs because it's just so pretty to have a couple colors mixed in, radiating off the face. This could be a butterfly mask, it could have been a princess mask like before, it could be a cat mask. Just gives you a lot of color to work with. There's the beak. And then if you got some white, to add some white highlights in the bird's eye to make it really look shiny. I'm just trying to make sure it's not too wet. And you can add some highlights in the feathers. Yeah. Just making some kind of random hashed highlights just to see how it looks. This is my own experiments. And then you can put some lips to match the design. You can also do this wing mask without bringing the feathers all the way down on the face. And you can do it anyway. Pate, chocolate, mix the chocolate, chocolate, pate, chocolate. Now I'm off to work.